legal life. I have a full life, please. A rich life, not in money. Rich in experiences, not to gratify, not to appease. That's my first introduction, dear friends. Yes, I am a poet, a writer, a proofreader, and a homemaker from a small town called Faridabad. A chemical engineer by education, I decided to be a full-time mom for my 2 kids. Something that I never regret. Once my kids grew up, I started following my dreams. I believe that there's no age limit for dreams. If you chase your dreams, they come chasing back you. I started writing on online platforms. Slowly and steadily, my work started getting recognized and loved, and I started getting a recognition. I authored 2 books. One came out in 2018, another one came pretty recently. It requires a little effort, time management, and lots of energy to don various caps. I am a cook, a driver, a teacher, a counselor for my kids. Alongside, I enjoy doing my passions, following my passions. My biggest achievement is being the part of Super Speaker 250. Dream big, stay energetic.